Welcome to our comprehensive guide to the best miter saws, the essential cutting tools that make precise crosscuts, bevel cuts, and angled cuts a breeze whether you're framing, installing trim, building furniture, or tackling home renovation projects. A good miter saw delivers accuracy, power, and flexibility, helping you work faster and with greater confidence. In this video, we're breaking down 5 top miter saws on the market, exploring their features, cutting capacity, ease of use, and performance, so you can find the right tool for your workshop or job site. Be sure to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump in and find the perfect miter saw for your next project. Starting with a solid entry-level choice that balances performance and value, the MarvTool 10-inch compound miter saw offers reliable cutting power for general woodworking tasks. Sized with a 10-inch blade, this miter saw is well-suited for crosscuts, miters, and compound angles on wood, trim, and framing lumber. Users appreciate how straightforward it feels to operate, even if you're new to miter saws, and the adjustable bevel and miter detents help make quick angle changes without fuss. While it doesn't slide like larger saws, its fixed design still delivers accurate precision cuts for baseboards, crown molding, and framing projects. The compact footprint makes it easy to position on workbenches or job site tables, while the integrated dust collection port keeps sawdust from spreading across your workspace. For DIYers, hobbyists, and anyone who wants a capable and accessible miter saw without a high price tag, the MarvTool 10-inch compound miter saw delivers reliable, everyday performance. Stepping up the performance ladder, the Metabo HBT 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw adds a professional pedigree to this category with enhanced build quality and smooth cutting operation. Metabo HBT, formerly Hitachi Power Tools, is known for crafting dependable, long-lasting tools, and this 10-inch miter saw delivers solid power and accuracy for framing, trim work, and general carpentry. The single bevel design allows compound angle cuts on one side, which makes it straightforward to handle angled crown molding, baseboard, and picture frame cuts. Its powerful motor slices cleanly through wood and lumber, and the robust fence and table setup help stabilize material for accurate repetitive cuts. Users praise its durable construction and consistent performance over time, plus the portability that makes it easy to transport between job sites. If you want a professional-grade miter saw that doesn't overwhelm your workspace, the Metabo HBT 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw offers dependable precision and long-term reliability. For those tackling larger projects that demand more cutting capacity, the DWT 12-inch compound miter saw brings a bigger blade and increased versatility to the table. With a 12-inch blade, this saw can handle wider boards and lumber that smaller models struggle with, making it ideal for framing, deck building, and heavy carpentry tasks. The compound miter design lets you perform bevel cuts and miter cuts with ease, and the larger blade size helps maintain cutting power and smoothness when dealing with thicker stock. Users appreciate the additional capacity and the versatility it provides for a broader range of projects, whether you're building custom cabinetry or resizing dimensional lumber. The miter detents and bevel adjustments are intuitive, helping you dial in precise angles quickly. If your work routinely involves larger boards or extended cutting tasks, the DWT 12-inch compound miter saw offers the space and strength you need to get the job done efficiently. Moving into even more capable territory, the SKL 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw delivers added flexibility and cutting range compared to traditional fixed miter saws. The sliding compound design expands how far you can cut without rotating the workpiece, which is especially useful for wider boards, flooring materials, and larger trim pieces. Dual bevel capability means you can angle the blade left or right while making compound cuts, which saves time and improves workflow when cutting complex crown molding or multi-angle trim on built-in projects. The 10-inch blade size still keeps the saw relatively compact and easy to transport, and the sliding action helps maintain smooth, controlled cuts even on wider material. Users appreciate the SKL model's balance of performance, slide range, and affordability, making it a great step up for hobbyists and professionals alike who want more flexibility from a mid-range miter saw. Topping our list is the DeWalt 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw, a standout choice for professionals and serious DIYers who demand power, precision, and versatility. DeWalt has a long track record of producing rugged, job site-ready tools, and this 12-inch sliding compound miter saw combines several high-end features into one capable machine. The sliding compound design expands cutting capacity both widthwise and heightwise, allowing you to tackle deeper crosscuts and wider boards with ease, while the double bevel feature lets you tilt the blade left or right without flipping material. A huge time saver on complex angle work like crown molding installation. Its robust motor and precision-engineered fence deliver smooth, accurate cuts every time, and the integrated dust collection system helps keep your workspace cleaner during extended use. Users consistently highlight the DeWalt miter saw's dependable performance, solid build quality, and long-term durability, which make it a favorite among carpenters, trim carpenters, and woodworkers who rely on high-precision tools day in and day out. If you want the most capable, versatile, and professional-grade miter saw in this lineup, the DeWalt 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw is the go-to choice. When choosing a miter saw, think about the types of projects you'll be working on most. Smaller 10-inch saws like the Marv Tool and Metabo HBT are great for baseboards, trim, and everyday woodworking, while 12-inch models like the DWT and DeWalt give you extra cutting capacity for wider boards and framing work. If you need added flexibility for complex angles and larger material, sliding compound and double bevel designs like the SKIL and DeWalt models let you cut more efficiently and precisely with less repositioning of your workpieces. And that wraps up our review of the best miter saws available today. From lightweight, budget-friendly options to professional-grade sliding compound saws, there's a tool here for every workspace and every skill level. Which one would you bring into your workshop? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tool reviews. Be sure to check the description for current deals so you can grab the perfect miter saw for your next job. Thanks for watching.